Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with safety and control. Get the vehicle stable, chalk wheels, and wear gloves and glasses. Once done, warm the transmission for 3–5 minutes to thin fluid. That helps release pressure and prevents tearing seals. Make sure to position a 1–2 quart catch pan under the quick connect fitting and keep rags handy. Now, remove any plastic covers or brackets blocking the line. Use the correct socket or trim tool, and expose the quick connect coupling so you can access the retaining. You now focus on the coupling. Locate the retaining clip, tab, or squeeze points on the quick connect. Using a pick or flat tool, depress or lift the clip while you hold the line steady. This releases the collar. Then, pull the collar back or rotate the fitting just enough to clear the internal latch. Do this while supporting the hose to prevent strain. Once the locking mechanism is free, pull the line straight out. This prevents damage to the O-ring seals and reduces leaks later. You finish by capping both disconnected ports to keep dirt out and fluid in. Use purpose caps or clean plugs. Next, inspect the O-rings and mating faces. Any nicks, hardening, or debris mean replacement. New O-rings ensure a leak-free reconnection. If the fitting is stuck, apply a small amount of penetrating fluid, wait a minute, then gently wiggle and pull. If it still resists, use the OEM quick-release tool to avoid breaking the coupling. Remember, clean.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.